We got this playhouse for our 4 and 6-year-old. I chose it because it's quite a bit taller than a lot of the other playhouses out there and still allows my 6-year-old to stand up straight inside with some room to spare. I feel like the treated fur will hold up better to the elements than most painted playhouses, and I like that it smells like a forest instead of plastic and chemicals. The other reason I chose it over other playhouses is that I'm way too busy to spend 8 hours building a playhouse. Reviews of this versus some of the more popular playhouses on the market led me to believe this was a lot easier to put together than most. And this turned out to be completely true. It went together in a little over an hour with 2 of us working on it, not 8 hours with 4 people working on it. I'm looking at you, Swinkset. The instructions were very straightforward and all the holes were pre-drilled. It was easier to put together than most dressers, and it turned out so cute. I love the thoughtful embellishments like the chimney, flower pots, windows, inside or outside bench, and adorable open lintels. So many playhouses are almost completely enclosed, and it just makes for a really hot interior in the summertime. A fun playhouse quickly becomes not fun at all when you bake whenever you go inside. This design is really brilliant because you've got tons of air circulation through the 3 large windows, 2 small windows, the half door, and the open lintels, which keeps a steady breeze going even on the hottest day. This simple design allows for endless imaginative play. So far, our little ones have played house, store, restaurant, construction worker, fireman, cabin in the woods, and real estate agent. We can't wait to see what they come up with next. I'm so excited about this playhouse. I hope you'll love it too.